Birds of prey captivate us with their power and precision. These aerial hunters occupy crucial roles in ecosystems worldwide. Their diverse hunting strategies and diets showcase nature's incredible adaptability. Eagles are formidable carnivores renowned for their strength and keen eyesight. They primarily hunt fish and small mammals, demonstrating impressive aerial prowess. Their powerful talons are perfectly adapted for securing their prey. The bald eagle, a symbol of wilderness, predominantly specializes in fish. It often patrols waterways, snatching its aquatic meals with remarkable accuracy. This iconic raptor also consumes small birds and carrion when opportunities arise. Hawks are versatile predators, known for their sharp vision and swift attacks. Their diet typically includes small mammals like rodents and rabbits, alongside various bird species. They often perch high, surveying their territory before a decisive strike. Falcons are the undisputed masters of aerial pursuit, famed for their incredible speed. They hunt birds almost exclusively, often catching them mid-flight. Their pointed wings allow for breathtaking dives, reaching astonishing velocities. Owls are the silent hunters of the night, possessing exceptional hearing and vision. They primarily prey on rodents, using their stealth to ambush unsuspecting targets. Their unique feather structure allows for near-silent flight. Vultures, in stark contrast, are nature's essential cleanup crew. These scavengers feed exclusively on carrion, playing a vital role in preventing disease spread. Their powerful digestive systems can safely process decaying matter. Crows stand apart as highly intelligent and opportunistic omnivores. Their diet is incredibly varied, including insects, seeds, fruits, and small vertebrates. They are known for their problem-solving abilities and adaptability to diverse environments. From the soaring eagle to the nocturnal owl, each bird of prey fills a unique ecological niche. Their specialized diets and hunting methods highlight the intricate balance of the natural world. Observing these magnificent birds offers a profound appreciation for avian diversity.